Hey guys, Ryan here with Ziggurat Products. Want to introduce the new Deluxe Connector Kit to you guys. First of all, it's got the 90-degree elbow, and then we've got a hose to connect the two, and then we also have the wall plate adapter that connects onto the wall. So first steps, let's take a look at this wall plate adapter and show you how to install this. So just make sure you have a screw gun or a screwdriver, gloves, very sharp, your hose, tape measure, you'll need some tin snips. First, what you're gonna wanna do is take your tape measure and you're gonna measure 1.25 inches off of the dryer vent here. And then what we're gonna do is take your tin snips and then we're gonna cut into this up to 1.25 inches all the way around. It's not an exact science, but it'll get us there. All right, so now the next thing you wanna do is make tabs about 1 inch all the way around. So next, we're going to just bend these tabs up towards the surface. All right, just like that. So next, we're going to install the wall plate adapter. We include a seal ring to put on the back of this to keep it an airtight seal. And all we're gonna do is just push it in and then take our 4 screws that we have here, screw gun, and we're just going to make it straight onto the wall. And we're going to attach it. This gives a nice secure connection onto your wall. All right, next step, we want to install the 90-degree elbow. This comes with a connector, snap connector, and then it has a seal ring as well. The first thing you're going to do is take the hose, stretch it all the way out, make sure that it doesn't bunch up. If it bunches up, it makes it a lot harder to snap and connect onto your elbow. So, and then we're going to take this finger piece, open up the fingers like that, we call them fingers, and then put the hose and have the fingers come over the top of the hose. It'll just fit just like that into the connector there. And then take your 90-degree elbow and you're just going to connect the body of the elbow with the snap connector until you hear a click, just like that. All right, so we got the seal ring. We're gonna put it onto the dryer vent itself. You're gonna have to stretch it over the top. Just kind of push it over. And then we take our connected hose here and we're just going to push this on. Should be a nice snug fit. All right, next we're gonna just push the dryer back against the wall. And then we're going to take the snap connector and the hose, put the hose inside and have the finger connectors inside of the hose like this. And we're done. This kit is a great option for a lot of people that have seen the headaches and situations that a lot of customers face.